Kwasiebu adults. Kwasiebu adults. Kalebule azabu kata. Because utonoma nipa bia empathy bia na empathy. Se me hu bibi say bi ko bia rabo ma. Bi rate me human people say that's the me ankasa.
Begunza na babompa ye.
Ye be bompa ye.
Ana manwunza.
Because
Egunza na ansan de eguna ho machi no.
Eguna ho machi no. Egugu abaifo no so. Tizi ana ke be bompa ye.
Good. And ye man buy no body into it.
Okay, so this is a prayer ye bomba the mystic, the cosmos. I don't che wiase. Mystic twins yankasa ye pai won ye. Na ye shall say,
I am love that prevails in all. I am the light that illuminates the universe. I am the air quenching the flame of fire. I am watering water earth. I am purifying fire light. I am the earth feeding their children. O universe, we are your children, your creation and continuity. We raise our thinking today, claiming your goodness. Away all evil of this reality. Away the darkness and fear. We are your children. We ask to find the truth. May our hearts be tender with mercy. Send your light and love to this humanity. Peace and harmony to country suffering. Freedom to that cry. Consciousness to the governments. Honesty to the beliefs. Generosity to the poor. Knowledge to the children. Understanding to the minds. Sometimes nipa, it gets to us. But at the end of the day, you say you know. Say me ko kan akora bi an share form. And I say me for obi an koyi bibia. And I put money rituals in the yes. I do a lot of rituals that will attract wealth and ye dear to my side. But in Kuku Akorabia, Fanon Koshe baby.
It's caught in the crossfire.
Also, for baby, I will be a baby. The shower classrooms. I will put TV or YouTube channel. So that's my Prayer TV. Maybe I will be a make class subscribing. Now, watch it link. As on Facebook, I will go and feel. Maybe I will be a so that was the number now 0244 840108. 0244 840108. Oh, baby, I'm a person who shall first and mama. You know, and then, Atanum, the twin brothers, and no one share. You know, if you saw me a before, if you saw me a some four, if you saw a damn one who nations, and any man, about it. If I ask him, you say, Empire, Empire, a year, Empire, why not Empire? Why did you want Empire? Then I chase Empire here. You don't really sound. Father, good morning.
Morning.
I hope so. Be I come.
down.
Good. Begunza na babompa.
Ye be bompa ye.
Ana manwunza.
Because
Egunza na ansan de eguna ho machi no.
Eguna ho machi no. Egugu abaifo no so. Tizi ana ke be bompa ye.
Good. And you may buy no body into it.
Okay, so this is a prayer ye bomba the mystic, the cosmos. I don't che wiase. Mystic twins yankasa ye pai won ye. Na ye shall say,
I am love that prevails in all. I am the light that illuminates the universe. I am the air quenching the flame of fire. I am watering water earth. I am purifying fire light. I am the earth feeding their children. O universe, we are your children, your creation and continuity. We raise our thinking today, claiming your goodness. Away all evil of this reality. Away the darkness and fear. We are your children. We ask to find the truth. May our hearts be tender with mercy. Send your light and love to this humanity. Peace and harmony to country suffering. Freedom to that cry. Consciousness to the governments. Honesty to the beliefs. Generosity to the poor. Knowledge to the children. Understanding to the minds. Magnificence to the needy. Abundance to all beings. O heavenly kingdom, we ask you of the soul and the triumph of the light consciousness prevailing in the face of the earth. Peace and harmony to trust each other. Do not forget the infinite that are born of internal belief. We use those gifts that we have and to share the love that has been given us. The divine presence allow our souls happiness of love. Forces of nature, forces
of the universe
come to our meeting. Nature elements, air, fire, water and earth. We call on to help us. Together with the power of our inner strength, we deeply that souls awakening from that are. Help, Father of the universe, we can illuminate the paths of true paths for all those who accompany us and for those who have not yet done. Our Father Creator, we can reflect humanity in knowledge. The virtues and the gifts support us and love. Give us the wisdom to make our words reach the ends of the universal knowledge. Broadens our understanding, strengthens our courage. Belief and joy of Sir and Esther in the act, cosmic soul and spirit. Only then will we be fair and be worthy to enter your mind of love. Force of evil, I order dark souls from where they are and go to the light. Dark souls, as beings of light, we shine light where there is no, and allay the density and transform confusion into clarity. We are the issuers of all energies we are receiving. Our presence will multiply the healing energy. Where we walk, we are the light that heals, love that shines, teaches, which helps and directs the shadows. There is no greater force than ours, because states will fight evil, pluck the roots of negative force sick. We are the force of the universe, where the pillars are supported. The light and love flood the planet Earth, and the beings to flourish in the divine energy that surrounds the universe. Thank you, universe, for pointing the road back, by teaching us to look within, by giving us the joy of discovering truth. For sons and brothers call, you have filled our hearts with your wisdom, made that dwelling place of our souls. Thanks for peace in our hearts vibrating. Thanks for all the joy and happiness in our life. Thanks to feel your love. Thanks for teaching us to love our brothers in this way and prosperity victory. Love you because we are by all and by all. So that was, so be now and forever.
Amen.
Amen. Abodie nyina na yigina omanemu mpacho ye bo akira abodie nyina wiemo tumfo fita tuntum ahofin nyina tawochi a sanso na papa nyina beta wochi nti you venerate bia do bia pema no bosom demon obofo sene ti bia hu nyina kura omo nyina so obo ade no so na odwuma yeso na wade nyina so nipam no abodie no so nipam budi mochi tu venerate bia sene nipam duru ba bia se obi akwara obi apanyini obeche obi a se maache no saa na sunsun nyina ni wiem sunsun nyina osori a obe venerate obi a it does not matter say oni bi nya enante na so oni bi nya pam but you respect all beings all spirits na odi ma chinasem ebia de wonu so sunsun fin no ono obi di udin 7 kwasasem bia ono ne be gina na mu akonto kwa amawo saa so na de obi so fita na bia obo ho ban no ono so betima twe ne ho efi betima be ka ono so na bia sunsun bia se bibia wo frɛ nimpo no ono na ebedi amawo nti e bompaya ma wiem atumfo nyina ene omo fo omo usu wo abotan mu omo nuam ene omo most importantly the oti mu no. That's why every time we pray we state that by all and by all the power within to me nyina no e wo yemu cause nyakopon no ti yemu ti bibia be free yemu na ba bonten ti na o si bia no ka na wiem sunsun mu nyina framamu omo ti no musi ya kan ebisa de na yayi it patcho de on
but masina empire no be cheche mu kakra we say be kakra metete ye no say ye da wase but mo sheda mo nyame bi adi eno na ahonhu mfama a ye home wo de chen ye da wase se wo me nya ntiase ye da wase se sakasaka wo ye free sakasaka na oman so a akwa so esi ho no wo be mo maso wi die ni bibia ni da sedama ma heda mo edi bia se bia me bom paya beka so Yakobon be da was asedanka wutuni so wo no adom na betiase me Judy. I trust in you, God. I trust in you. Because of you that I live. All that I've gone through, I still love you. I still love thee. All that I've been through, you are still my shepherd. All the make a
Lord, I say creator. What na but bosun suma de man no edin e wo tim ye free bi say opese won kasa enchire physical order and we be on wakasa and only ye ukasa chire ehonam itina ye kasa no but ye kasa chire astral a hun sunsum a o whisper and only mental inti sunsum din no me know some bo a chere physical people and no chanting no yes and no na me bo me trim me do no na in the name of no na ma bo instead of say me bo so nsum di no me bo no me trim whisper oti nto beti de make no na ma bon pie na ba bontin visible say na bia honam nipa beti o so kasa che nsum a o whisper sa ton c'est physical yes can pie bon
tons no ye de pamu honhom a wabetena nipadua ni mu ti na oye no breke de o kanse hunu no na eno no honam no ihu abo honam no na sunsun na kasa da bi a mete no ye tumi na odwa no bum na fe nipadua na ni ata tete
baby eno tons nya so na yesim hunu tons ni bo no my pattern different language kasa Arabic ibi so no my Hausa ibi so no my Twi ankasa ba sunsun mebe possess wa na kasa no content nkatrama ne dane na afi katrama ne dane sa na kasa na be basa ne yeba no but nipa ntin se normal sa na tie bebe
wow medamasi ense empire bo sumu no me hu se dodo na so kwam a eye abode enua no nyina mo nyina abaji wo mo de enframa eja element ahodo the so called 5 elements no enso meti wo empire bo no enso esimu say
elements no eneye ginanso eneye foundation of all humanity sunsum nyina no mu nyina ba ko antena bo mu a obetena mframam wantena gemu a obetena suom enti mu group eno na ye omo hierarchy aso mu din omo abodin de omo so a okase territory to bo a omo mgu na se nyina nim se wagu ensama omo abompaye ama omo ko so timi mpo sunsum o tin suom nyina din so bi bo no obetena TV so na obobo sunsum na nanti beberebe din they are slacking nimdie ni so because
Mr. Sa nima be say enum eye enyinaso enum the 5 elements
yes
em say ububo sa dini nyana de bompai na che say enyinaso eye Mr. Smith back say sa nima enum aye kan wase mina no ne nyinaso odi padua mu nipa bia tuwe ni ne nyinaso so eye enum e wo sa de enso meboa
yes
na je so ubo sa mpaye we nu a e kama say mpaye fa bia nyame
bia
empire no sa na when the fathers would boss empire
obi a opose no na brabo no live extraordinary life to say opose wiase no undi unye sika no bia na benye sika opose unsi fie no bia na be sisi wiase opose unya japade wo mma enji din wu achi mpo unya din papa no bia na benya sa ne ma no but if you want to live an extraordinary life you have to live life on a different basis on not pam wadidiem okasem on paibom on kwasore just like every other person who goes to church on Sunday no aba betanasi hoping that ne paibom nyina be ansa dabi ene sa na tie elements ni nyina so na ibodi ni nyina no the person ni nyina ben wo watching that spiritual mechanism and if we apply the art of spiritual mechanism those who study theology and all those comparative studies for na some for no yenyan ka omo see but ye be bo omo so omo study no omo sua ye pa they know that they have to apply all the principles of this element so say father to in space lesson no there's a gold lining up there and no apply the concept of gold fire element gold no be attractive wealth so na silver and so ho isu so there it represents everything to watch mu otare shem o bibia no obetumi apply elements room amene di ama to bo scan bi fie no aye gold pillars near that day na mu or the line bi atutu ni nyina won chichiri mu
okodie bia wo hye na no
ene so mu akonfo ni area mu but o ye gina bi wo no ma de bia betwe ne ye pa abeno so no bi sha particular tare bi on a specific day ne kra da wo sha tare bi and we do adwane poti bi no bia na wachi wade bi obu no ma ritual consecutive rituals bi a o ye ne de bia hu se o ye sanima we a nima fa it won change ebi ono ba nda on kra da because hu se ono ba da on kra da sa week no na boso me no nima nkoyie into wa a habit to be also be anapa bia wo ye bibi ketua bi in any way o feel say ogusunsun pe no ritual na we no yes ritual mama ni amane na we no it doesn't necessarily mean say ugu nsa na say ugu bibi but impo say obo bi sika mpo na ummo bi sika in specific notes ubo no mo bi sika in specific notes say bia 200 season for ma umbom ma 50 ubu sana bosia we ma half of it ni na rituals we ya my soul and elemental rituals elementals are different from elements near 5 elements no and the body no fire water and they no and elementals near sunsun and only home
sunsun were two different things sunsun is shadow some tiara me reflected from what a shadow and a spirit. And yes, I choose so you rectify.
Because soon ankasa no and ankasa so den ho I know soon suma utimi frɛ no eto baabi say on the basis on the daily you obi hunu wo say nwumre and abi hunu odan ho a utimi so evoke no and you evoke them outside of you no abeto yie na woni sa sunsun black and that for ma hu a wo say shadow no and the mic see you sa no utimi dinkinta ho e ma no say we as a guardian angel ono na guardian angel no but that for minute no some may prefer say or dark angel dark or black whatever that color you may choose say wo de be kan wasem it does not matter ni na say connect it with yourself connecting with a higher power and no nia
good sa empire we na mo ho ni sisi ya yo baby potia yo boss empire no be a holy room be and be a baby away here on your secret room on our empire na brebe empire ni boss empire eso bo ha omo so ni ade so called secret societies bomba ye bi na bia ko piri so a esa kunya no ko tin mi peda ko so ne ne ni aha ne jefi ni ba empire we say brebe ni boss empire holy room ana baby a
Okay. Me, I don't know Obidia or Bono and I'm not going to but maybe me I'm here before 12 and before 12. Yeah, I'm watching before 12 a.m. and before 12 p.m. My catching will also as some as I got promised because we know I cannot delay me so my to watch it. You could say it in your engine room, and I'm a friend engine room, be friend holy room, and be friend altar. You could say it in this sentence, but maybe originated free here. A swasi for and not originated here.
Okay, swasi for any
Secret societies or court now, Father, I can't be sure. A honor the free by.
e kwa na junior ba na jun
Honor originated free by. While show us now, you question of TOS now, you see, these are awares of scholars. And let some prayers are before this is intelligent words ordained by spirits. And the end can your first soon. And then this one delays now, but food delay.
interesting man half for
sorry. Some pie way say, oh, wow, bon. Utimi bisa bibi, I was some pie. Some pie way now, so university.
I said this idea.
Be busadia, utimi the camp, and now the unya boria, what boria. Now 24 hours a day. It was 24 hours within a day. Some pie no, how many times a day within
empire na kasa ni self na request it doesn't mean so be can adko poti say me nya ba ana me nya mpaboa na atare but say no kan mpaboa no say didi so no is a pattern untimi script ba ko me ka ba ko
four chakras pile boy maybe we shall say can all universe maybe we can almighty god maybe so one can elements no it's our four chakras need know every time we have one it should be for something maybe I said in prayer sir who we deal with over saying farm out tell no but in terminate before that hour now cause I pray and penal so maybe I deal and you go and specific as say I also see mommy now what can not tattoo
but impo one campo a mpaboa na no e ma no hum ne so because what free bia say woni ye panyina amra na enigi mra na arewo nko sika mra na ho kire nko apomudin mra na yare nko nti in general no wa classify on paibo nyina bontofa na ade atu wiem
na se ebia empire ni yeyia ana anye yeyia what my question say yeyia ana sanye yeyia then be dead ya mo so request na ntimi anko na anko ade free say tumi bi go wiem obompa yeti me ko pem na sa e ba sa na say tumi na bompa na ba
one thing if you can ho bompaya if
you meet said yes sir bia also bia o paper dem penny bi fili
and also na ka ho and we fen tree so if you go if ya o bompaya ya metie te no so ka ho and another thing sexual fee e bia wa kwa so and also betu account and now o di aduane bia no kra enko and also betu account timpaya no if you no kra mu pie no so na so da bi wa o
ti kra enough
because one of them the ususun pe na one the ususun pa osi dem dem pe na bompaya no ma suma kwa ya ma ususun yes sorry enti no na also one kasa hu ansa so then this week ma ye ma hyeso ma ye say
makoye BBC na makoye BBC
and Feng Shui no kind is very important. Feng Shui no Chinese geomancy or geometry, how some people may say it. And no you say China for mu dem a na mo do mo pa boa to ha na mo phone da ha na remote da ha wo so ne ma yi o mpa ba bia o mpa tihwe ba bia konya sisi se no be hye no pra wo dem no alignment ni nyina no ene ma twim ni ye pa ba ene sa ebi to ma reho ebi to ma negative vibrations kisa wari guo afi wa wura mu a se no mo pasa konya sia TV sia dan sia nti de bia confusion fi ho confusion. The whole house is chaos. So fit bo wura ho e wura ba bia toilet e bie da ho anytime. So fit de mo ba fia ba bia mo timi gina mo anko foundation mo nya wa gina yi pa din kwasesem ni semu no toilet so. Into about time period be nwure about 11 7 8 that period mo no ma auto toilet no clean de bia you should make all these places to a point where bit me wura sabe pray as a toilet so mpo edidi ho no. Se na bia sunsun fi bi ba enti attract no. O car mu se na obeya o car and the case can but my problem. Can go no de pia be come azin be coffee tem de bia because say na udi car no huni no car no so ni na express ni na energy akonya ye energy so no be ya akonya na me akonya na che phone ade bi esi form ade bi agina ho say na ade material thing bia spirit to wan sha ade bi so ya de ko no twe no ko to be bom pa sa pe car beba that's to kind of my problem na won cha ba no ato was car na buy and say so no pa on service car no on sheka no ehu dwumadie ofie hu penti onye ho ade wa ankasa oni padua no on taari hyem wadi diem bibia udi adwane bia udi nso bia wonom ade roba esa na roba boso be ebe esa tinte wuro no bibia be bonafo na abona ba but you take care and precaution in all these little things in your life bo say what attracted the spirit of Feng Shui to bo say oni yemu no okasem bo kasa dwon tu mienu adwane mpabo abehye oni nyina odwon say ene mekọ fie wo senten times e bi no fa prae no ahwe ni nyina pra kama we nya se we ahia wo omo no adwane wi pra report as na da no so mutimi wo no that is all what do you call superstition anema no omo kaso ni bakọ na wo na ama enye sa anema no na kire se na omo se wo de sa anema no wo pra wo report as ya na nanom ba ofie omo nya adwane ndi na nanom omo ba bi omo ti omo nya adwane ndi omo ka ho. Now we live in a modern day. We practice modern day spirituality. Fix your house, fix your life, and fix your spirit. When we say you don't need to go to a floor pastor. I'm not saying come huni come trobia me hunu na. We say one kasa uchi huni ye papa. O man yare rough. Hygiene every no. Never spirituality quantum is all part of hygiene. Soon super idea, soon be no part of soon party effect. Mo penny ma enika. Yakupanga so bon party na also shifita ha. Kutu say, you say. Also to tell baby with your bumpire. To so incense of baby because everywhere in your house should be a holy place. Exactly.
But I thought you have first one. Sir, any way in a fancy issue. What type of focal points by anything. Our modest teachings we a day babble to some possibility. Dear Panama is.
We are mystics, and most of the fraternities that we join, fraternities are all called to be no. It's all about philosophies, teaching, enlightening people. Ye be ni pantias ye ni omuni ni senebea money better ho. No, it's all part of a spiritual movement. Somebody demonize it. Moja semre dan chen. Eno no ye obi a open hwanya. Osa ne manema no eno no wiase ene ma codes a obenya ma so comfortable life. Eno dan chen. But on the general facade no
focal point
na say nipa ma omoni na ho. Money na ho. Yes.
Nipa ma omoni na ho.
So
di enti nipa ma omoni na ho.
Kwasebu adoso. Kalebule azabu kata because uto no ma nipa bia empathy bia na empathy. Se mi hu bibi say bi ko bia rabo ma bi rate mi comment pa ko say dey dey mia ankasa. But bia pa ko no minim da na so mi nkasa no krampo da. To empathy a now say sika is in your calling. Nyamedwuma na ne de bia na de bia gusika nyamedwuma na ne ye no. Yes, abaifue no. Still na ye ba yudwuma but ye nyamedwuma na ne bi ne ye no. Ye pese nipa e ma omani na hu se adwumaden e be mo ye owiase. But adwumaden ko ano e ma hu ye owiase. You need to add certain energies and powers to it. Mo frafra mo ne mo adwuma se mo frem musika se ma wari yi.
Enti na me no so no obi be ko no obi ayi bukata. Obi be ko no akwaji nani so. No obi akọ na yapade akọ hwere no. Enti eno ne ye focal point afa de ebisa ye no. Enyina so nyina ne se mama ni na ho. Ti enchire from A to Z nya is about that.
Exactly. Upe ye dia
kwan da ho.
Upe Bible kwan da ho. Kuremu
But be willing to accept the truth. Say somebody don't just snap their fingers and your whole life turns to magic. A new sa, no, some snap here. Na sa finger na me snap here. Na we go twitwa. E ma ne obetan no. O te be na me bu no tase. Se opese unya ho abra won sa ne onan ka. Na se won sa ne onan no. E wo se agikomo obi na o de yade. Ti e betutu. Nti ye de ade brewa. E betutu nsa ne onan ne da ko yadwuma wo. Honhum wiase. In South Penalty, and then the Namsum at the Adani, Calibule, where you say, the Biamuso, your focal point, Biamus on the say. People are spoiling the spiritual, the spiritual movement, the business, the spiritual, whatever it is, or however you put it. It's a business. Don't let the pastors lie to you. It's a business in the sense that so if we be now, people be 247, Neo be Branham Empire Mao, Branham Sayaria, only any other job, 9 to 5, no, he's a liar. He's a froster, arm robber. They are need to the bullet. You get it? And see, what we are saying basically say, some no send about funny and no, Sabina, just a mom. Fecund chain, and your private life, or your name, no cocoam, eating a friend, no quana, and I'm a banana, a sumasiga. A sumasiga always, you didn't, you say, and country be until the idea now, the 247 TV sooner, for a pant bra, for a brazier bra, coffee bra. I said, that is your main point. What does it? Yeah, problem, you answer.
Advance that you don't fall for these kind of things. You do quite personal, quite bonus. Either way, just be willing to face the consequences. Where Bema see bonity because now be annoyed. Now they are caught down, could be another heaven, some jimu. But don't be looking for shortcuts to success. There is no shortcut to heaven. If you want something, there's no shortcut to hell. You have to go through the normal channel. The Genesis show of film go straight as a man. Open quantia ni nyina musu we go no ma wudi sun but ton down your man e watch ko pebosia abosia no pena police for watch na Ghana ha no ayo kete na pa biafa na ko for test ye bi adwana ko Dubai bi adwana ko share yi kata masa ye dem address be man ko for police for na samaba because ye ka be bibe ne fa do chuno ko ne bia ye bu akire sika banku bia nu atoy man to so ye ka mu tie enti ye dan ye media na obi on tie ase ani se na bia be hu se sunsun juma no is there sa na bibia na adada na won ye pese ma hu se mo ni na ho ene sa to
food mo number no ko into aso
0247 903268 0247 903268
bedasipi you share me name say you will be a friend of magic and magical powers and you walk mystics to say mysteries that's what they say name we you move free by so they walk
and mystical mysteries no so no kan no and no you suma se dwase de be isusa west because e be se panini bia na abro bi to no ma o te ase yi ade ayi ni suma se no enya ade ayi ni show off enya ade ayi nhwehwe animu. That's why we don't wear a comfortare any operation room ni asori ntare so kontare sa na manema no because this must be on the facade. You have to make people think otherwise. Then be a parallel universe. But you don't see me here. I see you, you don't see me. Into mystical powers na idea soon and more than a dear. Would you frame mystic or soon be all in the mystery? All court mu. Emetra cookwear, my shame album to be a machine. Wouldn't be Bessiana, wouldn't be it of it. No. On your magic, said when you mutia. But magical powers no, multi with my best, I don't know. So be a bit my bay, just to show off so much there was on young kunya, who say boo yasi. But among we move into a Sumasigan and Casano, our main mistress, no, mystical word, no, aquatic word, no, via Sumasiga. It's all about the resource. Can I be who and I was and pat the castle train and won't. You understand? But the magical powers in the air, just a show off. You can put a lot of rings, a cotadian near my name, and I confident in a show. Who physically know that there is power. But in the mystical word mysteries, you know, Ubitum will be savvy. Maybe the outside the Gramponia, but some of it my canon trim no. A bit of Okoya, Kako boy buku to nyina egu fam. Yes. So that is what.
Everybody na mo share challenges. Obu ho no so afie be bi ka no nim de ye kan ho asem bi. Ori ye na Bible. And a Bible so Christopher no Bible no kwa no mu nim. Kakra bi na o mu share bi ka ho no kwa no e dey o su. So oni say nipa we bi ko bu share. Ana mo ni bi share pen. Then ya na koso. Challenges be saying and I'm going to be other religious bodies this year. Munya, be the same.
Say any other religion, people from other churches say Christopher, Islam for hono. Yes, Buonoma says of be Dikin be and I will be or stars breeding po. The religion in ye me no ati at once na ye hu na shi obejana ka buo bi firi soro abehwe etirim ana yesu amane ebo e ataya mu na ka bebo ye mu mayiso na nya ka ye moja pram ye tatatata enso so won hye nyina ye kwa because them America no is for people to be enlightened na nipa be no mo ntiase say okay, they are showing us the keys to the universe. Niema obeye ewo hu ama wiase no ne yepa atwe aben. But say obi or religion for na ontiase a normally what they will do is they will try to discredit everything we have said. Say oh omoboa omonka no kre oh tricksters oh omontimi ye omoboa but omuni power power no be people ni wo people say these things. Especially asofo na ye ti omoto no collection na omunya ndi biem no nti no ato omabufuo ene omo ne omo dwene ene omo tiri ho apa ene omo twaboye but I'm telling you yenya medwuma na na ye nyame no ayesom no I don't believe that is the same God you guys are worshiping because if it was you wouldn't really see from our perspective the explanation we are trying to make say eya na say enye so what you say nti no religion live and let's live. The American what I believe in. Nyemema ya afa amame. Minim sa ahinema ye the same ya na fire. Enti me gina ha na me din wa dance ya. You don't know where I'm coming from. Enti no wo de na wa ya ma wo no. One pastor was actually doubting said sunsun ye ka say o ma the container. Sunsun ebe fail container nim.
The mere fact that we don't believe that shows oh yeah Bible reader. You are a book reader. You read books. You are not a mystic. Obi on any obi or from the or from you say spirits can do a lot of magnificent things and nipa e bon ya adwene ntia so
Africa will rap this pama. I'm telling you this. Am I susum Africa am not patch.
But because sunsum e betimi amane mercy. God works in mysterious ways. We are talking about God. So if you don't believe spirits can do this, that means you don't even believe in it.
For 7 days only we are seeing for 7 days we felt they no see. My words are beautiful.
Let there be light. Not light about.
This is beautiful. I mean, 7 days say you might be effect. I don't know why would he say it 7 times. Almost there be you might be almost said the sweat to me far fish. So many amazing things God did. And to me catch the soon bet me am say yes ya. I'm what to contain them. Ama niema begumwa udiachi near say they don't have power. What they are saying is not true. This shows clearly. So wunu uniform. Because if you really understood the mystical things, the mystical spiritual things that went on in this world, and can't cause us no. Would you see on one about pie? You swear at the part. You more to me to chamas you. Now so the oya no be a swap. Maybe I know entertaining for.
Say yeah program be 2 for in a fashion bin na 2 for in a fashion na na. A conform spiritual so me guai. Ti bi ni wiase a na ka 7 previous obi to no normal na okofa bidie ne be ko dia fa nadim na oba because on one to no get bidie fa nadim be fe. You see people really doubt some things and then you sit there and you question them say are they really working for God or they are working for their stomach?
So don't come out and say things to discredit us. What mean discredit? And penny for above Braco University, above theologians. Let me from fresh what you guys are saying. It is very now who are you? Stop talking and listen to the advice we are giving the people. Because and then what you are saying is really to the ground. It's for the cosmic, it's for the enlightened ones, it's for the illuminated. What I say, omo person omo nya hu ntiase no, omo na ye ne omo kasa, enye wo disanchan to. The father ne ono no.
Sisi
ebe dem nipa ebe tisa concept we ni so mo ye mo fo mu di mo na nkisa no mo ye danya saade na nkisa ade e kisi se me hwemire kan ni na bomu a eye nyansa eye adwene eye odo ana se mo di hu se mo di ye dwuma be dem nipa atemu masi ye kase okot ana go forget okot na ye edi hu bi okot so I say India ayira na wo kokohwe pepe na dia de pa ne ma no eyehu na be dem mani paji mu so ma mo kan so
okay father okot na kan no eno ne nyimbi ahinta is hidden knowledge but let's clarify one thing. I see a lot of people going on about talking about I was a former occultist former what to them now from home when you occult who from home just state that and pass by who can say we occult again and tears you know do you join a brotherhood what can brotherhood do unu say ishia na dwo edi sunsumu nkomo edi nkomo ankasa nkomo a kese epia abonten a ese mesisi undi sumasi dwa on kwa na dwo kwanta so embe bayina ma don't sit on TV and be claiming occultist e cho abonten na ye second see minimum say bo ukodin ka umoto ye chia no ntimi anje so a you be arrested spiritual arrest no na afa wo shedem na ntimi pia abonten me ka wasem Ufra homa, because we are spiritualist. You delve in the ass of mysticism. That is fine. You delve in the ass of voodooism. We are comfort. Over for Abosumuni and anonymous Amaphonia, the Adene, Sunsunfi them. Respect that. We all respect that. We venerate all these gods, sir. But don't come and say me your quarters. Ufa Kurane, I should name my black mirrors crying. If I home them now, I'm not talking about Busso Munia, I want to make a family Jabra Usuya. Who say what an interest away, former quarters, Shantia Faso. The way you need any stop to you do a level be you realize that Okran soon result or Joe Cran. So you have to balance yourself. So occultist I say yes, you may fall under that. But Ghana and Tia your court because we your quarter. You join a brotherhood, or join the BC military, army, Ghana armed forces. I will be a rougher. Would me fat from Fred on call for better for on bet Tiashma bet Mary. I be going back on a rough piano. That's exactly what it is. When class you get going for no reason. I'm saying that it's a gang. You understand? It's a society. It's a family. It's a brotherhood. It's a sisterhood. Physically and spiritually, you support each other, emotional wise. And no difference will be your occult, will be joining cool, or be the who don't be like the Freemasons. Shout out to all the brothers. Like who joined the Drag Kubi and Bubudinia the other. You understand? And no difference will dear Udiana Jumuja, Ukwana Jubana Jo. Pepe.
Wow. You say about the many
the truth is but one. You see, some American, I'm for 1,000 bra, for 200 radio consultation. Very sense animal. I'm enlightening you. You know, we believe that what we are doing is the work of God. Just because you are not on the pulpit, and chime cartons and say, so they see it and they realize it. People that come to us, some of them can be our father's age group. Some of them are uncles. Some of them are sisters, little brothers and little sisters, little family siblings and all. If you pay for them, they don't need anything from us. Not sika. And yes, we summon dear and yet bet. Because and so they come on by an answer because most are some now canon, a biomontia no munim diani. And then yes, I phone it ye. Momuntia on Pesica and Quack India, Munkudi, but on moi. Omo musunsumu credit omo pese o ma ware gina yie omo pese se bi omo dwuma sem omo ye business do lebu mu se o pese musika sem gina omo ware sem omo ma mo pe gina ye bi ma obusuafo protection bi se na bia se bi obi fa ni boni bi nya no boni bi medina chi e me kan to from me ni me guase no those people are listening and those people are the people that you are speaking to. You are not speaking to people who are on the surface who just think say when you say 6 million bi no do kwa obeta ko nya 10 billion abi si dem abra. One fan cram more for the and some fan offers you more for the year. Those people are not enlightened. When in the end of form, when you say what West Island in Libya, for this time, you know, never Jimmy Bere. Now we are giving you insight about these things to one and on TSN. And on the air camera, I conform business spiritualist funny one more because you go Mujanti Moyano. You need Johnny Gumu, Yamujumana Niano. You Gumuja, you Gumujo, whatever that it may be, we are seekers and seekers. It is our core nature. See, very many pa, and you are down money. So father, we program we are no yen simple, you know. That's exactly what he did, and that's exactly what we are doing today.
e person nipa ni da honom no mu se bo wiase ugide wanje de bo wiase.
So stop talking and boasting and bragging and saying all these things and you're relevant. Can some church and some assortment no one no one could yesu achi. I didn't come up with Jesus questions. It's the host who brings stuff. No me big penny no money as any and not the phobia back. McMahon put your fun once back. I will express my spiritual knowledge about McMahon. And you know, listen to Asana I can memfa a bufuobi any yes to Asana Bible something I can and only yes to change. Yeni yes to aton said it.
It's caught in the crossfire.